Wala na nag-exist. Wala yung dalawa na lang. Kasi we're talking about being a mother.
But that's what I like about talking to moms. Kasi minsan pag ang kausap mo hindi mom, parang nag-ano sila.
Na-weirdan sila. Parang medyo, okay, magiging nanay pa ba ako?
Exactly. Pero pag you're talking to someone who kind of understands exactly what you're going through, then you can let it out.
Yes.
So you're gonna let it out today.
Oh, definitely. Oh, parang mga hugot ko naman, hindi naman. Actually, I'm always excited to talk about being a mother because not all the time you can share your experience to everyone.
Yeah.
Basically, some of them will think na nanay, medyo nangangarap na yan, hindi nakakapag-isip ng maayos.
Yeah.
Yung feeling nila, when you're a mom, ang toxic ng buhay mo. But it's so much different now. It's very, very different now.
How is it different for you?
Well, I'm really having fun being a mom. I love being with my kids. I love observing my children. I love listening to them
What they have
talk.
to say. Yeah.
And parang every day is a revelation for me. Kasi parang all of a sudden, wow, si Lucho can finally decide on his own. And hindi niya na ako kailangan. Maraming na kurot. Yung every day na hindi niya na ako kailangan. Hindi niya na minsan hinahawakan yung kamay ko. Kasi
It's big boy na siya.
Nakaka-relate na ako doon sa mga mommies ngayon na when they bring their children to school, pag ikikiss mo na, ay, mom. Ay, gano'n. Yung nag-hug, pero yung mata nasa gilid, yung nakatingin ko may observe ba sa kanya. But I love my position now. I love where I'm now. It's really being a mom and a wife is the highest achievement and greatest achievement anyone could ever have.
I think the happiness is just cellular level, di ba? Parang buong pagkakao mo ang saya.
Definitely. For some reason, bigla ka na lang, mag-scan ka ng mga photos mo, and then you're just laughing alone.
Yeah.
You're smiling at yourself. Parang, tapos ma-realize mo, mukha akong loka-loka dito. Di ba yung mga ganun akong moments? So parang, nakakatuwa yung mga anak ko eh.
Right. So you were talking about, sometimes there's this perception that mother, especially in the early months, it's daunting, di ba? So we want to ask, how do you get the strength post-delivery? Kasi, mahirap yun eh.
Yes. Yes. Alam natin yan. I think it really helps a lot when you have a good support system. And that's when your husband is always there with you, your friends, your family. And at the same time, for me, nakatulong yung nakaka-relate ako sa mga nagbo-blog about our condition. Like, I was the first time si CS na delivery. So, hindi ako maka-recover pa. Paano ba to? Ako lang ba to? Maarte lang ba ako? That parang all of a sudden, I feel so many things inside me.
So, your last is CS?
Yes.
Right.
So, parang dating sa akin, umaarte lang ba ako?
Yeah.
Or is this a normal feeling?
Yes.
Or, teka nga muna, chumika nga tayo sa mga ibang na CS, and then I found out you also, and then si Gladys, and then all of a sudden, I felt good na, okay, now I am really, really a mom. I experienced delivering ng normal, and I experienced delivering ng CS. Kung may pangatlo pa, malamang may experience ko. Hopefully, wala nang pangatlo na ma-CS ako or something, but in every experience na I go through with my delivery, it's always parang life-changing.
Right.
That moment that you know for yourself that you're delivering a child.
A human being.
A human being. Na parang ang napaka-amazing naman ito. I have a human being inside me for 9 months. I've been taking care of both of us.
Yes.
And now, they're finally out. And I'm going to raise these children to very good religious people. And parang that alone empowers you to be a woman, and yun na yung essence mo eh. All of a sudden, my purpose in life is changed. It has been changed totally, and at the same time, yung purpose ko ngayon, I am driven to raise my children as much as I could, na mas maayos at mas masaya yung gano'n. I don't want them to experience any stress, yung ganyan.
Ang absolute na pagkananay, no?
Diba?
Like, it really changes everything about you.
Yes.
So let's just say there are moms who are first-timers or second-timers, the CS, natural. what is your message for all of these moms who are kind of like looking, remember you were saying earlier na you felt alone, tapos nag-check and ibang experiences, but now they're looking to you. What would your message be?
Before, when I got pregnant with Lucia, no, I was very nervous. And then I realized, why? Bakit ako kailangan nervyusin? Hindi ba dapat ito yung pinakamagandang moment na ma-treasure ko buong buhay ko? Because finally, I'm going to find... Masyado nagdandanan sa akin. Hello, ayan. Finally, na-experience ko na yung napag-uusapan ng mga kaibigan kong mga mommies na how they got pregnant, their journey of being pregnant for 9 months, the cravings and everything. For all the first-time moms, you just enjoy the ride. Really, really just enjoy the ride. If you're the type of person to blog about it, it's a nice idea to write it down, and it's always nice to look back. Diba? Yung mga reminisce ka na pinagdaanan mo kung gaano ka ka-picky sa pagkain, kung gaano ka ka-arte sa amoy.
Yeah.
Yung mga gano'n, yung akala mo hindi siya totoo, but it happens pala talaga.
You only believe it once it's happening to you.
Yes, and ikaw mismo, you're questioning yourself, oh my God, totoo pala to. Yung pinagdaanan ko sa movie namin ni Ryan na Kasal-Kasali, biglang all of a sudden,
Totoo na.
ang ginagawa, nangyayari siya sa akin, may camera ba? May nag-action ba? Yung parang iniisip ko, I've done this before, that the deja vu pa ako. It's always a good experience. Being pregnant, delivering another person, parang, it makes you accept and it makes you grateful.
Right.
Being a woman.
Yeah.
Diba? Yung validity mo bilang isang mommy, it's just amazing how God created you to be like that.
Right. Wow, how inspiring. Pero, nauupi pa kayo?
Sorry, may kasama pala tayo dito. Good afternoon po.
Pero hindi talaga ang moms pag nagsimula na magsalita.
Oo, diba?
But I'm sure that so many, moms-to-be will look at your message or hear the message and feel inspired. No, if you want to blog about it, I wish you blog.
Me too. Actually, kaya ako siya nasabi ngayon because
sana, no?
yes, hindi po ako magaling magsulat, hindi ako magaling magsalita ng hindi ako magaling sa kung ano pa mang pwede sa computer. Yun eh. But how I wish I have that talent like yours that, you have so many words and you can just voice it out what you feel, what you think. Kasi ang sarap niyo talagang balikan.
Tapos your kids, when they're grown up, they
Yes.
read it.
Pinakamaganda, like with Johan, I think it's, blogging about your journey of being pregnant is the greatest gift that you could give to your daughters. Para lang, at least they have an idea on what you went through. Not because kinukonsensya mo sila, but just because you're sharing
Yeah.
kung ano yung magandang proseso ng pagiging isang babae. And of course, you also take care of themselves as well.
Right. These are such, great words from a mom, and I hope that somebody will find, be inspired by it. So right now we have a token for you. So may we call on Miss Leonora Alvin Ramos, Brand Manager, Non-Alcoholic Division, Asia Brewery Inc. Alright, so before we move on to the photo op, we'll have a seat first. And let's give away some cash prizes first. Alright. Okay, I will pick 7 winners. Okay, first 7 winners